This video explains how to export references from Ovid databases. In this video we will use Medline, but the same principles apply across all Ovid databases, such as Psycinfo and Embase. So first of all, I'm going to come to the library website and do a quick search for Medline. And it's brought it up for me as a top suggestion, so I'll click on that. I'm already logged in, but if I wasn't, it would prompt me to log in at this point. And then it brings up the list of Ovid databases. If I scroll down, I can see Medline there. Click on that and on OK. And I'm taken through to the Ovid interface. And here I'm going to do a simple search for sports injury. So if I scroll down now, I can see my search for sports injury has returned quite a number of results. And it is possible to select all and export all of these into EndNote in one go. But if I have a very large number of results, this might not work. So I might want to use the range option or just choose one or two references at a time. And in this case, I'm just going to choose at random a couple of examples and select them by ticking them here. Then I'm going to scroll up to the export button, and I want to make sure that I've got the option for format chosen as RIS and the option for fields chosen as citation, abstract and subject headings, which is already selected. And then I'll click on export, and bottom left I can see a RIS file has appeared, and if I now click on that, I'll be taken straight through into EndNote, and I'll see my references coming in into the imported references area. For more help and advice about using EndNote, please visit the library website.